Hello, Nomad Sculpt and more matte caps. You can use different matte caps on the objects. Okay, I switch to the Nomad app. This consider using orthographic camera. Okay, this is the mesh of this object. Okay, I create a new one. Add a sphere. I validate this one. And at the moment, matte cap is set, and there's one important setting you can change, and this is use global matte cap. This one. Uncheck this option to use a different matte cap for this particular mesh. Uncheck it. And to use different matte caps on one object, you have to split the object. In this case, I turn off hole filling off, and rectangular is okay, and then it's split the object. Oh, it was not exact. And I turn on the outline function. Split it again. And again. Now we got 4 different parts. I think there's a little mistake, but let's do it. Okay, and now change the matte cap like you want. Red. Change the object. No. And here we use the black one, and for this blue, and here gray, or this golden one. Turn off the wire and turn off the outline, and then you're fine. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.